just remember how long it really took you to break through. I feel like you kept submitting, you kept working at it. You always had really cool concepts and really good ideas and really good collaborative energy with a number of different artists. What do you say to the people who might not necessarily feel it's fair or feel like their efforts aren't being appreciated, but you kept going? So that's one thing I noticed about you, that you didn't give up. So what do you say?
Yeah, I still don't. I'll complain and say, oh, I'm gonna give up. If like every Sunday, if I'm watching this show and I don't have one, I'm like, oh, why do I? But I can't stop. And
Yeah.
I still buy other people's stuff. It's not like that. It's just
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I continue to pour a lot into it, probably too much, but I love it. It's fun stuff. I think I've been turned down more recently because a lot more people are getting better. But yeah, what do I say to people is you can't give up. Everybody gets frustrated. It is unfair because some people's ideas are better than yours, and so they're gonna have an advantage. Some people are better at conceptualizing how something's going to look. Some people are better with colors. So yeah, it is unfair, but you're gonna know sometimes that you have a winner.